Hello, this is Dave at TitleSearch.com. This video will be talking about land patents and also MERS, electronic mortgage registration. Now, what do these two things have in common? They're very different subjects, but in many cases, they're two separate factors looked at in foreclosure defense. Many property owners that are in some type of financial distress or in foreclosure will look at either MERS or a land patent to maybe deflect some of that mortgage exposure. The differences are, first of all, a land patent is something which occurs well before the transfer to the borrower. The MERS issue occurs afterwards. What happens is some property owners will look at a land patent security to attempt to deflect their liability on a mortgage, saying that that land patent, because it was filed 100, 150 years ago, overrides any subsequent mortgage claim against the property. In other cases, the mortgage borrower will look at MERS, or the Mortgage Electronic Registration System, to say that there's something defective about that process, which makes their mortgage invalid. So if you're looking at those two things, some of our foreclosure defense individuals look at both. There's differences. The land patent is to research that is a very complex chain of title search, a very specific type of title search. The MERS research is also a complex type of title search because you're looking at electronic records outside the land records. So if you're a borrower looking at foreclosure defense, start with the research, see what's there on your land patent, see what's there on MERS records, and then look to see if either of those is applicable to your situation. And the case law on this is changing every week. You may want to consult with a qualified attorney to see if your situation warrants either one of these two defense methods. It doesn't work in every case. There's cases every day that are validating MERS, and also the land patent research may not, show you the information that could deflect from a mortgage. But there are two factors which mortgage defenders are looking at to see if the liability for their mortgage may be less than face value.